We are No Tears, No Fears. I'm Lizzie.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Grace.
I'm Deanna.
I'm Jaslyn.
Who is our target market? Our target market is for outdoorsy people of all ages, survivalists, and also home people.
The carver represents the aluminum. This dot represents the flash that turns on when you're looking for it. These dots are the speakers that would answer your questions when you need to apply anything or you have an emergency. This temperature right here, this screen, you can control it by telling the speaker to warm an item up or cool it down, or you can move it with yourself.
Prototype will need an app so you can put your info, what you're going to name it, your phone number, and a notification if you're missing any supplies or if you're about to run out. It will ask you for your address or your location to let you know how far from your home and when they can deliver it. You can make orders when you need something, only if you want to, and it's optional to make orders. To connect your speaker, all you have to do is put in the code that is inside the box.
Our logo represents our name because we drew a scared face with a tear, and we drew a red circle with a line to show that we have no tears and no fears. Our logo goes with our product because you won't have no tears and no fears if you buy our box.
Our price is $52 plus shipping and tax, plus 10% profit. Aluminum sheets is $10.05. Speaker is $10.09. Temperature screen is $4. Red dye is $5.41. Supplies is $15.67. It's $52.
We will be selling our product first primarily on our website. Then we hope to be able to move on to bigger markets such as Walmart, Target, and eventually Amazon. We also hope to be able to advertise our product on ads during, before, or after YouTube videos and our TV shows.
This is fresh water just in case you need to clean anything that cuts, which we also have alcohol for. It's disinfectant. And then we have rice to dry your phone or anything that happens to get soaked. We also have, this is the multi-cue. It's used to signal SOS. It has the date, a compass, the time, a mirror, and a solar panel which powers these outlets. There's wipes and rags which can be used for tourniquet. And this is disinfectant. There's also like a Band-Aid right here, a Band-Aid dispenser so you can pull out the Band-Aids whenever you need them really quick.
Help. Do you need help?
Yes.
Here, I have this amazing smart kit.
Thank you.
Everything's better with a smart kit.